Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Farhani Zulhikmatinisa from 5APC. Types of business ownership. Individual company is a business owned by only one person. The authority holding the responsibility is at the same time unlimited responsibility for the company and its assets, because they are those who own are and at the same time the team. All the risks that occur to the company, he controls it. The advantage of this form of business include firma. Firma is a business that is formed by the partnership of two or more people using a common name in running a business. The liability of each member of the firm is not limited, with the distribution of profits or loss conferred equally by each member. Limited partnership. CV stands for Commoditary Vennootschap in Dutch. CV is a business line founded by two or more people who surrender and entrust their money to be used as CV capital. This company can be considered as an extension of the form of an individual company. The advantage of the CV firm include: first, term and relatively easy way of establishment. 2. Management ability can be better and bigger because of the round number of members. 3. The amount of opportunity to develop in business. 4. Easy source of funds. 5. The acquisition of capital is greater than the many members. However, CV has the following advantage. First, it's difficult to attract capital fund, especially complementary partner. 2. Responsibility is not limited to complementary allies. Limited liability company. Limited liability company, or PT, is a form of business where there is separation of asset, right, and personal obligation from the founder and owner of the company. Limited liability companies have working capital in the form of shares owned by the founders, partners, or other partners who take part through the purchase of shares, and the owner of that share capital have limited liability for the debts of the company according to the portion of the share capital they own. The advantages of this PTR: first, there is no risk to personal property due to the limited liability of the owner of the capital. 2. Owner share can be traded back to other parties outside the company in a relatively easy way. It is easy to get capital from the sale of shares, allowing business development. 3. More effective and efficient management. And then a PT have a weakness. First, expensive and complete accessibility costs. The lack of assurance of company secret due to the large number of share capital owners leads effective and harmonious relationship between shareholders. State limited liability company. Initially, the Persero was better known as the state company. Change its name to Persero because PN entered into capital formation by providing over to private parties. The characteristics of the Persero include: the purpose of business is to seek maximum profit. First, civil law status such as PT. 2. Capital is owned by the state. 3. Led by the board of direction. 4. Has not right to state facilities. 5. Employee status is an employee of a private company. 6. The government only acts as the holder. Government voting rights are based on share owned or based on a previously agreed agreement. 7. Shares can be sold to private parties, can cooperate with the private sector. Thank you. Okay, I think enough for my presentation. Thank you.